Nikon's humidifier use thermal, not electrical energy to evaporate the water and to circulate the air. That's why they hang on the wall. This brings additional benefits. It doesn't need floor space, and since it works without electricity, it doesn't have a cable lying on the ground as a tripping hazard, etc. This is the lime extractor. This is the evaporation panel. And this should not glide down. First, I will form the upper edge of the panel. Then I just have to hang it on. Perfectly prepared. Well, this is the product manual. Then the installation instruction. This exists also as a film. You can see this also on the home page. Perfect. So, and this I have read already. Now, here we have the basic unit. We will take it out of the box. Then we go where we want to place it, and we take the drill with us. Perfect. Now, I think approximately here I'd like to hang it on. The position of the borehole could be made about at the height of my eyes, so the water can be filled up easily. I marked it with the drill. We could also take a pen. I first have to switch to impact drilling. I first took a 5mm drill, and I have drilled in a brickstone wall. I'll open the hole to 6mm. But where have I got my 6mm drill? Oh, I first have to get him. So that's it, 6mm into the machine. The borehole should be 35mm deep. Done. You can see here, the hole is a bit knocked out. That's why it has a double with collar included. That collar covers the bad beginning of the borehole. It is written up that you should use it flush with the wall. So, this is the double in which I first set the screw in. And then I put it into the borehole. So, et voilà. Well, it doesn't come out of the wall. It's all inside the wall. And when I take the screw out, opala. Okay, the borehole is not so bad now. And the borehole is nicely closed. I can take it away or leave it or hang a picture on it. That doesn't matter. I'm going to twist this in now. Just as I can hang the unit on it. So we take this basic unit and hang it on. Oh, I twisted the screw a little bit too far. So I turn it a little bit back. So settle it nicely down on the screw and then fix it strongly. Fairly strong. You can twist the screw and fix the unit so it doesn't move anymore. Now it's almost done. Now we will hang the poster on. There is dirt on the floor. I don't like it. I will get the cover plate out. And then we set the cover plate on top of the unit. I insert the hose so it looks sideward out. And I fix it on the top, click. Then we put the lime extractor in. That one we actually could install a little bit earlier. That one we put in the back of the lower basin. It would be like this, but I should turn myself so we can see it from the camera as well. It comes like this. In the middle is a small hole. I will stretch it to each side of the basin. And we put it around the column of each side. Once. Now I have it almost. And twice. Now I bring the panel to the front. And I will fix the hose in the middle of the basin. Click, clickety click. Now 3 times we will fix the panel with the clamp bars. I'll put it on the top so I have my hands free to do it. Lift the paper onto the height of the carrier. Then insert the clamp bar into the hole to the left and fix it in the groove to the right. Just do this 3 times. Yes, I have already some experience on that. And we fold the lower end of the panel backward and forward, so that the loops fall evenly backward and forward. Before I put it in at the bottom, I separate the perforated crescent at the bottom. And now we set the paper into the basin between the front wall and the column behind. Yes, perfect. It looks very good. Now we can put on the water tank. That's it. Actually, it would work, but now we would like to do some water in it. So now we have water in it. We can fill up the water up to the logo. The logo has 2 tasks. First, fill up the water up to here. Secondly, we place the closure on it so that we rotate it from the beginning to the end of the green stripe. And then we go to the unit and put the whole water tank on top. Wonderful! And now it works. Now I check whether the unit has the equal water level on both sides. The water level can be easily seen on both sides, so we don't need a water gauge. If the water level is the same on both sides, then it is absolutely perfect in the water. Better is not possible. Now we'll let it running. The installation is completed. We have done a good job. If the evaporation poster is continuously filled, up to 475 meter cube of air becomes circulated, which is enriched by 24% of humidity. 7 room air changes per day results in a 28 square meter room size. The katabatic air circulation is the air that slides downward. See infrared underlays. Triple energy reduction. The humidity has dropped sharply in recent days. Energy cost is it heating or electricity have risen. The 3D humidifier needs the smallest possible amount of energy for the evaporation of the water, which is taken from the room heat. When the water evaporates, new power is created that allows the air to circulate. Because the humidified air is heavier, it circulates independently. A propeller is not needed. In addition, humidity is well used. It does not go directly to the ceiling. So here we save energy again. We repeat the factors that contribute to energy reduction. First, evaporate with the heat from the room without electricity. Secondly, there is no need for propeller because the changed gravity of the humidified air allows them to circulate independently. Third, the air under the ceiling, which has a lot of volume and is warmer, is humidified only indirectly, if at all. This reduces water consumption and increases the efficiency of the evaporated water. Use these humidifiers, they protect you from illness, and you can use fragrances in a special facility. On our homepage you will find a list of sources of supply at home and abroad, as well as references. You will find a lot of information about humidifying air, and for those who do not find a source of road nearby, a shop. We thank you for your interest and would be pleased if you visit us on our homepage or in Rüti and take advantage of this non-electric humidifying method.